Hi folks, are you looking to improve the search capabilities of your F.A.Q system to deliver more accurate and relevant results? Implementing a semantic search feature could be the solution you need. In this video, we'll walk through the process of creating a semantic search system using Storyblok and Orama. To do that, we are going to follow this process. First, we will extract the embeddings from our FAQ content from Storyblok. Then, we are going to create indexes for the embeddings into Orama. Finally, we will perform a search based on the user input. So now let me jump into the source code where we have the package JSON file where we have some dependency, for example, Orama for searching. Then we have transformer.js for running the model. Then we have prompts for asking the user input, and then Storyblok.js client for retrieving content from Storyblok. In the JavaScript file, we have some import. Then we have the Storyblok client initialization with the access token and some other parameters. After that, we can use the Storyblok client for getting the stories from the endpoint, filtering with start with and per page. For example, start with, we are going to limit the search with a specific folder and per page 100. Then we need to run the model using the transformer.js, using pipeline object, using feature extraction, and then we are going to use GTE small as a model. You can run this model locally. Then we can loop through the stories, extracting through the pipeline transformer.js the embeddings and then storing the embeddings. Here we are going to store the name, the full slug, and the embedding. Then we need to create the index, so we are going to create a database for storing the index with a schema, with name, full slug, and embedding. Then we can insert all the content in the indexes that we already created. Now finally we can ask to the user the question, ask me something about Storyblok. Then we can collect the string to search, and then we need to apply and calculate the embedding also for this string, and then apply the search through the mode vector thanks to Orama, applying the embedding. In this case, we are going to apply some parameter like similarity and limit and so on, right? Now we can run the code, and for example, we can run node and our file. Then we can input our question. Where is my API key? And then we can collect some information. The first one is the similar one from the syntax perspective. As you can see here, the question includes API key as a string. So this is very easy. But the second one is more similar in terms of semantic. So thanks to the embeddings, thanks to Orama search, we can retrieve the content not just from the syntax perspective, but also from the semantic perspective. That's all. Thank you for following this video. I hope you enjoy playing with Orama embeddings and Storyblok. See you!